Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Learning Key. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. If you're learning English and want real conversations you can actually use, you're in the right place.
Today's topic is one of the most practical ones, going to a restaurant.
You'll learn how to ask for a table, order food and drinks, make small talk, deal with problems, and ask for the bill.
It's all real English, not textbook English, not robot English.
Just the kind of conversation you'd actually hear or say in a real place.
Let's get into it. You're joining us at a restaurant. We're sitting at a table, ready to order.
So we walk into the restaurant. What's the first thing we say?
Simple. Hi, table for two, please.
That's it. Friendly, direct. You don't need anything more.
If it's busy, you can say, Hi, do you have a table for two?
Let's say both. Repeat with us.
Table for two, please.
Do you have a table for two?
Great. Now we're sitting down, we've got the menu. Let's talk about drinks.
A waiter might ask, "Can I get you something to drink?"
You can respond with, I'll have a glass of water. Or, can I get an orange juice?
Don't overthink it. Just speak clearly.
Here are some drink orders. I'll have a coffee, please. Can I get a tea with lemon? Just water for me, thanks.
Now, let's act it out. I'll go first. I'll have an iced tea, no sugar, please.
And I'll get a sparkling water with lemon.
Your turn. What drink would you order?
Menus can be tricky. Sometimes you don't recognize something.
Here's what you do. Ask questions.
What's in the chicken sandwich? Is the soup spicy? Does this come with ice?
If you can't decide, say, "What do you recommend?"
Or, what's the most popular dish?
Now we choose. I'm thinking of the grilled chicken with vegetables.
I might get the pasta, but I want it without cheese.
So you'd say, "Can I get the pasta, no cheese?"
Or, could you leave out the cheese, please?
Also helpful, "Can I switch the fries for a salad? Could I have the sauce on the side?"
Let's place our orders.
I'll go first. I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
And I'll have the pasta, no cheese. And can I get a small side salad?
Here's some phrases to copy. I'll have the steak, medium rare. Can I get the burger, no pickles? Could I have soup instead of fries?
Let's do some practice. Say, I'll have the chicken, no onions.
Nice. Say, "Can I get rice instead of potatoes?"
Now we wait for the food. Usually people make small talk.
Right, not deep conversations, just like chat.
Let's try it. So, David, how was your weekend?
Pretty relaxing. I watched a movie and went for a walk. You?
I met a friend for lunch and started a new book.
Nice. What's it about?
It's a mystery novel. Keeps me guessing.
Here are some small talk starters. What did you do this weekend? Have you been here before? What do you usually order?
And simple answers. I worked a lot. I stayed home and watched TV. I tried cooking something new.
Practice answering. What did you do last weekend?
All right, food is here. Let's take a bite.
Mmm, this chicken is perfect. Juicy and well-seasoned.
My pasta's fresh. I like the sauce. It's light but flavorful.
Let's learn some food adjectives. Tasty, delicious, spicy, bland, not much flavor, salty, sweet, crispy, juicy, tender, rich, fresh.
You can say, this is really good. It's a bit spicy, but I like it. Very fresh. I'd order this again.
Now describe your food. Try one sentence.
Sometimes there's a problem. Maybe the food's cold or it's not what you ordered.
No panic. Just be calm and clear.
Try this. Excuse me, this is a bit cold. Could you warm it up?
Or, sorry, I asked for no onions, but there are onions here.
Let's act it out. I'll do one.
Go for it.
Excuse me, sorry, I ordered this without cheese. Could it be fixed?
Very polite, very natural.
Let's try some practice. Say, excuse me, my food is cold. Say, I ordered salad, but this is soup.
Okay, we've finished the main dish. Time for dessert.
Always. I'll take a chocolate cake.
I'm going for the apple pie with ice cream.
Useful phrases. I'll have the cheesecake. Can I get the ice cream, 1 scoop? What desserts do you have?
And drinks. I'll have a tea. Can I get a black coffee, no sugar?
Your turn. Order a dessert.
We're full. Time to pay.
Here's how you ask. Could we have the bill, please?
In the US, it's common to say, "Can we get the check, please?"
If you want to pay separately, can we split the bill? Or can we pay separately?
Let's practice. Say, "Can we get the check, please?" Say, "Can we split the bill?"
Sometimes the server asks, how was everything?
You can say, "It was great, thank you." Or, "Very good, thanks."
If something wasn't right, still stay polite. You can say, the food was good, but it took a while. Or, everything was fine. Thank you.
Simple, respectful, honest.
We've paid, we're leaving. You might say, thanks, have a good night. Or, that was great, thanks.
Or just, "Bye, thank you."
Friendly tone goes a long way.
Let's review the most useful phrases from today.
Repeat after us. Table for 2, please. Can I get a glass of water? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken, no onions. Could I get the sauce on the side? Excuse me, this is cold. I'll have the cheesecake. Can we split the bill? It was great, thank you.
Try saying those again later today. Practice makes confidence.
All right, that's it for today's restaurant conversation.
We hope this helped you feel more confident using English in real situations.
If you liked this, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with your favorite dish or a place you want to try.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Learning Key for more real conversations like this.
We'll see you in the next one.